Today I am here for the 8th standard English. I am going to explain the lesson number 3 before the match. Okay. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer. We all know that who is R.K. Narayan. He is a writer and was among the 3 most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. So he is a very famous writer, R.K. Narayan, and he was the most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In his first novel, Swami and Friends, the first novel which he has written is Swami and Friends. He describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys. In that novel, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. So here an extract from Swami and Friends. From that novel, from the novel which he has written, the extract from that novel, that is Swami and Friends, written by R.K. Narayan. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. So there was a cricket match. It should have been played on Sunday 2 weeks later. Rajam lost all peace of mind. So one of the players, Rajam, he lost his peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. YMU is another team, and he felt confident, he was very much confident that his team could thrash the YMU. Thrash in the sense they can play very well and they can defeat the other team also. So he himself could be depended upon to not let down the team. So he was dependent upon to not to let down his team down. Now, Mani was steady. If unimpressive, he could be depended upon to stop with his head. If necessary, any ball. His batting was not bad. So Mani's batting was not bad. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. There was only one player who caused the deepest anxiety day and night. So who was he? On him rested the great task. So the whole team, if a match is being played, all the people, those who are playing in the team, so all the people, those who are playing in the team should be equally important and they should play equally good. Then only the team spirit will be there and then only they will win. So here, on him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. Here, a pro player will be there. So he is a very good player and he is thinking that his full deepest anxiety day and night is on him only, that player only. He is the greatest task, a mighty responsibility was given to him. He was the tate of the team. He was the tate of the team and he looked uncertain. Even with the match, only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. So even if match is coming very near and the days are very short, okay, very less number of days are there, but still he is not showing any interest, no seriousness in practice, nothing was there. Swami Rajam pleaded. Swami Rajam is pleading to the Swami, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. Please you are not coming for practice also. At least in the evenings 1 hour practice you can take your time and come to the practice. Certainly Rajan, if you can suggest a way. Then Swami is telling, certainly Rajan, I will come for the practice if you suggest me the way. Why not tell your headmaster? Then Rajan is telling, why not you tell your headmaster that I want to go early in the evening and I want to go for the practice. Oh no, Swaminathan cried. He said, oh my headmaster, oh no, I can't take the permission. I am grateful to you for your suggestion. suggestion. But let us not think of that man. So, Swami is telling, oh, you are telling about our headmaster. No, no, great, I am grateful for your suggestion, but I will not go and ask that man. I don't care. Why I want is that, what I want is that you should have good practice. See, Rajan is telling, I don't care all this. What I want is you should come and play in the team. And before that, you have to get a good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. So, because now you understood that he is a good bowler also, you should not keep any batsman more than 5 minutes. So, they should become out. So, if you do that, I will never see your face again. Just 7 days before the match, the days are very short. So, 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. So, only 7 days, only 1 week is there. Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. So, something he has to do. He has to go and practice. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. So, he went along with the other boys, he lined up in the drill ground. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. So, contrary to the custom, he did not take his coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts. But this fellow was wearing the coat and cap with their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him. The drill master came to the ground, he stopped before him, looked him up and down. He just stared him up and down and passed on muttering, "You won't get leave. Coat and cap off." The drill master telling, just he saw up and down, "You won't get any leave. Okay, just remove your cap and go." Swaminathan became desperate and pursued him. "Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. Sir, please sir, I am not well. Okay, I can't attend drill today. I can't attend the drill also today. I shall die if I do this. If I attend the drill today, I shall die. So, seriously, I am not well." The drill master had come to the last boy. Swaminathan was dogging him. The drill master came, just he was walking to the last boy. Still this Swaminathan is begging him, "Sir, please sir, I want to go." He turned round the Swaminathan with a fierce oath. "What is the matter with you?" Just when he was troubling him too much, just the drill master turned back and said, "What's the matter with you? Why are you troubling so much?" "Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious." So, the whole of last night I was delirious. What is this delirious, children? A state of excitement. It is a state of excitement where you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by the fever. So, delirious is nothing but because of fever, you are not stable. So, he was suffering from delirious last night. The drill master was stunned by the piece of news. "You are delirious? Really?" "I did not sleep a wink last night, sir. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. So when I went to the doctor said for 1 week you should not attend for the drill class. So I don't believe a word. Get out." The drill master said, "I don't believe all yours nonsense. Okay, you get out," he said. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. So, when he said get out, this was a chance for Swaminathan. He came out running from that place and he went to the practice. When he went to the practice there in the ground, everybody was happy to see the Swaminathan there. Rajan jumped with joy. So, Rajan, when he saw Swaminathan coming to the practice, he jumped with the joy. The next morning, he formed a plan to be free all evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning. The next morning it was 7:30 and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. So before that, before he go to the school, there it was still 2.5 hours, Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Swaminathan slowly went out of the house. He stood before a shop in front of which he hung a board. Dr. Kesavan. So there was a board, Dr. Kesavan. So he went there, LM and Sri Krishna dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free. He entered the shop. He went to the shop. He met the doctor there. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? The doctor is asking, hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Why did you come so early morning? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. So this fellow is going and asking, doctor, I want your doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter with you? So the doctor is asking, what is the matter? Why urgently you need the doctor's certificate? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week. So the truth is telling, I have to play the match next week against the Young Men's Union. That is YMU. Okay, the Young Men's against the Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. And at every evening there is a drill class, scouting, some dirty period or other. Some of the other periods will be there in the evening. So I can't skip. So, because I want to skip those classes and come to the practice, I want to show the doctor's certificate. So, please issue me the doctor's certificate. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help me MCC to win the match. So, it would help the MCC team to win the match. MCC team is Swaminathan's team. Well, I could do. But there is anything wrong with you? Doctor said, okay, I will give you. But is anything wrong is there with you? Swaminathan took half a second to find the answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. So he said, certainly, doctor, I am beginning. Now, delirium means what? Slowly the fever is going to start. Okay, I am feeling feverish. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by that? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? So he said, I can't say what is the delirium exactly, the meaning I don't know, doctor, but slightly I am getting some stomach pain. The doctor laughed till the great fit of the coughing threatened to choke him. So after that he looked Swaminathan under the eye. The doctors will examine like this, just they will see under the eye, and his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid from delirium. So he said, see, you said that you have got delirium, but to get rid from this delirium, you have to attend your drill class. So I can't, you are fit, already you are fit, I can't give you the certificate. Swaminathan again explained to him how important is this match for him to have this evenings free. But the doctor said, it's all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I give you any such certificate. So doctor said, see, I can't give the certificate like this. I'll be prosecuted then. Who is going to find out it, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? Who is going to find out all that, doctor? Please give the match, give the certificate, or our MCC team will lose. I wish you all success, don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I should talk to your headmaster about you and request him to give you off after 4:30. Then the doctor said, I can't give you the certificate like this, but I will request your headmaster to leave you at 4:30. That will do. You are kind, very kind to me, doctor, he said. That is enough for me, doctor. You are very kind to me. Then he said, and he went. The doctor, then he spoke to his headmaster, and just he was relieved every day at 1 week, for 1 week at 4:30, and he went to the practice, and after the practice, they played the match, and this MCC team was the leading and they won the match. Okay, thank you children. Read this lesson. We have the textbook. Okay, I'll be sending the notes to you. Copy down the notes in your classworks. Okay, and sit and learn. Okay, very shortly the school will be revoked me. Okay, and we will be checking all the notes which we have sent you already. So sit and complete all your classworks which we have given you. Okay, thank you from Pushpani ma'am. Bye.